Hello guys, this is Siri from Siri Tutor Blogs. Today I'm going to show you how we can download Eclipse. This is not for people I think most of the people know about how to install Eclipse, but for the people who doesn't know, who are the beginners. So you go into Google and you type Eclipse download, and for Windows, if it is your Windows, or if it is for Linux, you have to select the appropriate operating system, and you will land up in this page and Eclipse slash downloads. And yeah, for this is where you have to download. For Windows, you click on downloads, and then click here. It already said thank you for downloading, so it will start downloading. I have already downloaded it, so I'm not going to install it, but I'll just show you. When you double click on this, it's just going to give you this option like Eclipse installer, and you just have to click next, 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 and then the Eclipse will be installed for you. And also based on your preferences, if you're a Java developer, you have to select this one. If you're a C++ developer, you have to select appropriate technologies based on your requirement. And then you just have to click next, 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 and then it should install you the Eclipse version completely. So for the Java developers who is trying to develop a web application, they can go for this option. And the people who are just Java developers, it's giving some options right here. Git client, XML editors, Maven. So it's giving some options. So based on your requirement, please do install that Java Eclipse. And once you install the Java Eclipse, you will get the installer ready on your machine. You can just open it. I have already opened my application, and you can open any number of sessions. There is no requirement that once you open, you cannot open the other ones. And you can give your workspace and just click on launch. Um, yeah, that is not the right. Let's open this one. I'm going to close this one for now because I already have installed Eclipse. So this is the latest one, Eclipse IDE 2024. Yeah, this is pretty much it. This is how you're going to install it. And if you want to create a normal Java application, then go for you can go for Java project. Is that, yeah, just Java project, and then click next and give a name here. And click on next and click on finish. So I have created a sample Java class, right? This is a sample class. So here inside this, you have to create a class. This is just an external folder that allows you to create a project. And here you have to create your own class name. You can give any name, any unique name. and a package name, and you can select main class here, and that will allow you to that will load the main class automatically when it creates the class. So this is how you create the class, and then you can start writing your code. Okay, and then just you can hit save, and then you can run from here. This is how you run it. Here it says the sources cannot be empty. What does it mean? Um, did it create a pom.xml? No, right? Yeah. I think it is not saved properly initially. Now it got saved, and that is how you'll just see an output. And you can keep on adding more classes to your package, and you can play with it. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you and take care. Bye.